I'm going to show you a Turkish Get Up kettlebell exercise variation, and you're going to see me struggle. So you may get a kick out of this, but hopefully you're also going to get a new idea on what you can do with your Turkish Get Up. I'm going to combine, I'm going to break up the kettlebell into different segments, and you're going to see what I mean. So I'm actually going to work my shoulder more, my core more, my glutes more, and it's going to be fun. Not really. So I'm going to set up. So the first thing, first and foremost, you should be practicing this if you are familiar with the Turkish Get Up. For me, it's my top 3 of exercises. And I'll give you some basics. Anytime I'm holding the kettlebell, my wrist is always straight. That's part 1. I'm going to lean back, and here's my basic setup. Again, you may get a kick out of this. So here I go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break this up. A little shaky, which is fine. 2, I'm going to do reps of 3 of every movement. And then I'm going to show you something kind of cool. So here's that cool part. And I'm up. That's a bridge up. And I inhale. And then I press. And then I press 2. Yes, this is not easy for me because it's been a while. 3. From this position, you can't see it, but my left glute is working hard and my right knee was on an angle. And here's my setup. And I come up so everyone can see. Camera angle is kind of off. And then I got to go back down. What does that mean? I'm going back down the other way. Notice I switched legs. And then from here, I'm going to press once, 2, 3. Now I have to get up. Just like P-Funk, Bootsy Collins used to say, you have to get up for the downstroke. I just dated myself. Here, I call this a windshield wipe, a side bend. Here's my bridge up. Oh, I got to do 3 again. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you get inspired. I'm over 40, it's not easy, and then there it is. And I usually use 2 hands to bring it down, roll over, and there it is. So that is a Turkish Get Up variation. Post your comments. I would love to hear, I would love to see your version of doing this too. Till then, take care.